Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials. Confirm your device has a working internet connection and that speed is above 3 Mbps. Once done, power cycle the streaming device and the router, waiting 30 seconds before restarting hardware. Make sure the Netflix app and the device operating system are updated. Outdated software often triggers the error. If you're signed in on multiple devices, sign out everywhere and sign back into the one you're using to eliminate account session conflicts. Now dig deeper. Clear the Netflix app cache or app data, and if that fails, uninstall and reinstall the app to remove corrupted files. Next, inspect physical connections, swap HDMI ports or cables, and confirm the TV input matches. Once those are ruled out, test playback using a different network, like a mobile hotspot, to see if the ISP or router settings cause the problem. If playback works elsewhere, you'll focus on router configuration and DNS next. Finish by applying fixes that eliminate persistent causes. Change DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 on the router or device, then reboot and retry Netflix. If problems persist, perform a router factory reset only after backing up settings, then reconnect devices. You can also switch profiles or try another device to determine if the issue is profile-specific. If nothing fixes it, gather error codes and device logs and contact Netflix support. One key troubleshooting tip: record the exact error code and time it happened to speed support resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.